You like that?
You think he really is dancing?
Uh-huh.
You can touch him.
Oh, dance with it, Brandeis. Oh, shake it, Brandeis. I think he needs to hear Ray again.
You want to hear Ray? Ray's on his good song, I think. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, you can dance to this one. Yes, he's dancing. He's in rhythm. He's even risking falling over to do it.
He's about to tip over.
That'd be an appropriate ending to his current movie. You like Ray Charles? Yeah.
Oh, I think we need to have this one back though.
Snowman?
Next, no, this one. Ready?
Yeah.
It's like he has to dance, but he doesn't. He isn't thinking about it. He just has to do it. Mom, save me! Are you all done sitting up?
I think he's doing a good job.